Hey everyone, we're going to be pickling some garlic. Now this is going to be refrigerated. This ain't going to be like the real canning where there's a lot of steps to do and it's more difficult and everything. These are going to be refrigerated. So anybody can do this. It's really easy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bust this garlic bulb. It's probably going to take several garlic bulbs to put it in the jar. But I'm just going to bust this with my fist. Kind of like, well, I can't do it with the foam, but I'm going to bust it with my fist is basically what I'm going to do. And I'll show you how to get the skins off, but I have to have both hands. As you can see, I got them separated here. Now I'm going to put them in a jar and shake them up, and that should get most of the skins off. Okay, so right now I've got my garlic in the jar and I'm just going to shake it up like that. That should get some of the skin off. It don't get it all off, and then you can just get a utensil and just kind of bust it or something like that to get the skin off. But I like the fresh garlic better to do the pickling. You can also microwave or heat up the water to get some of the skins off the garlic too. Now if you don't want to go through all this trouble, you can buy big bags of garlic like at Sam's Club and Costco. That's probably going to be easier than doing this. But yeah, you can also heat up the water and some of the skin should come off that way as well. Okay, so we're going to put 4 cups of water here to make the brine. 2 cups of distilled white vinegar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons, I'm using Redmond real salt, but you can actually use Cannon salt if you like. So it'd be 2 tablespoons of that. And here's the kind of salt that I'm using here. And it's like pink salt, basically. Doesn't take much. Putting about a teaspoon of dill seed, or I should say dill weed. I don't have any dill seed, but I'm putting dill weed, and I don't actually have no dill herbs either. But I'm not actually making pickles, just garlic and onions later in another jar. 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn. 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, totally optional. Alright, so I put the ingredients in here, and you can change the spices if you like. So what I'm going to do is heat this up, and as soon as it starts to boil, immediately when it starts to boil, I'm turning it off and I'm letting it cool. I didn't fill the garlic all the way to the top of the jar, but that's okay. I was almost there. But I am going to put a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes in this jar, just because I want a little bit of a kick to it. That is definitely totally optional. And I'll also make sure your jar is clean before you put the garlic and the brine in. I just wash it with soap and rinse it really good with hot water. So the brine has cooled off and I just stirred it up. So now we're going to be pouring the brine into the jar and just filling it up to the line up to the top. Alright, so my garlic is done here. I poured it into the top, and I shook it a little bit to get all the spices and everything mixed up in it. So now I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator. So you leave it in the refrigerator about a day or so, and then you can eat them. Just keep them in the fridge, and they should last about a few months. And I'll put some information about it in the description. I just want to say that garlic is extremely healthy for you. It's actually like a good medicine, so it can help on different ailments and stuff like that. You can actually Google that and see what garlic helps you with, but they even have like garlic vitamins. Of course, I think eating the food is a lot better than just taking the vitamin, but yeah, this would be really good for you. And I tell you, it smells really good. I love garlic and I love the smell of it, so I kind of want one now, but I need to keep it in the fridge at least about a day. But yeah, this is really good for you. Got a lot of good stuff in it and good medicine. Alright, so the garlic is ready here, so I'm going to actually give it a shot and try it. I can't wait because I love garlic, so I love the smell of garlic too, but yeah, look at that. Alright, I'm going to try it. Alright, let's give it a try here. Wow. Whew. I'm definitely going to need something to drink, that's for sure. You could actually cook these too, you know, with your brine if you want to. Boy, I tell you, it's strong. But the stronger it is, the healthier it is for you. So, if you don't want that strong taste, just cook it in the brine. I think that'll help it just a little bit. So, thumbs up.